Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale policy offerings with Aflac step by step clearly. Start by understanding your current policy offerings and identifying what is working well. Analyze customer feedback to determine any gaps in your services. Research market trends to see what competitors are offering. Define your target audience to tailor offerings effectively. Consider collaborating with sales teams to gather insights from frontline interactions. Develop new policy offerings based on your research and analysis. Ensure that new policies align with Aflac's core values and mission. Create clear and engaging marketing materials to promote these offerings. Train your sales team on the details and benefits of the new policies. Utilize digital platforms to reach a wider audience effectively. Implement a phased approach to roll out new offerings, starting with select markets. Monitor performance metrics to assess the success of new policies. Gather continuous feedback from customers and sales teams for ongoing adjustments. Make necessary iterations based on the data collected. Create a support system for your team to address common customer queries. Conduct regular check-ins to ensure policies meet the evolving needs of customers. Stay informed about changes in regulations that may affect your offerings. Continue to innovate and refine your policy offerings based on industry shifts. Build strong relationships with customers to foster trust and loyalty. Leverage technology to streamline the process of policy management and customer engagement. Encourage a company culture that values adaptability and customer service excellence. Document and share success stories to inspire further improvements. Evaluate your scaling strategy periodically to ensure it remains effective. Maintain an open line of communication with stakeholders to align goals. Focus on creating long-term value for clients and the company alike. Keep pushing for creative solutions to meet customer needs. Ultimately, your goal should be to enhance accessibility and extend Aflac's impact in the insurance market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.